Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to add a header and footer in Microsoft Word. Headers and footers are used to display information like document titles, dates, or page numbers. Let's begin. First, open your Word document. Now go to the Insert tab at the top. Click on Header. You will see several header styles. Choose any style you like. The header area will open at the top of the page. You can now type text such as the document title or company name. Next, scroll down and click Footer. Choose a footer style. In the footer section, you can add information such as page numbers, dates, or author names. Once you finish editing, click Close Header and Footer. Now the header and footer will appear on every page of your document. And that's how you add a header and footer in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical computer tutorials.